How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got a cool video today of a couple of nice hunting dogs. This is my dog, Krissy. She's a 4-year-old Brittany. She has plenty of energy. She's a great pet and a great little hunting dog. And I'm with my buddy Mark, and we have his dog as well. He has a German Shorthair, and his name is Apollo. Apollo's about 2 years old. So we took them out individually here. You can see Krissy working. And we've got a couple of birds set out in bird throwers. Makes it a little easier for training purposes. And really working on Krissy's retrieving ability. And we try and working with Apollo too. So we've got some good video of us working on retrieving with our bird dogs. I hope you enjoy. If you're a bird dog lover, I know that you will. So here, Krissy's found her first bird, and she's holding tight. She crept a little bit on that bird, but once she gets locked up on him, she doesn't move hardly at all. So anyhow, enjoy the video. We'll play a little music and let you just watch.
Good girl. All right, here it goes. Oh, that's okay. You want to pick him out of that tree? And then when you shoot it, just stand there. Dead bird. Whoa, dead. Dead bird. Oh, dead bird. Good girl. Climb up, girl. Climb up, Krissy. Climb up, girl. Whoa, good girl. Whoa, good girl. Good girl. Come around here for just a second. Hold on, I want to get a shot of her foot up. Good girl. Okay. Good girl. Tie us up a little further. Over to the left, you should have it right there. Whoa, boy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ready? Good boy.
Bring it here. Fetch, 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 fetch. Here, buddy. Here. Fetch here. Here. Pet here, here, here. Call here. Come on. Here, here, here. No, get the bird. Fetch the bird. That.
Here, boy. He's already caught that other scent of that other bird.
Whoa, whoa. Go. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. See it right there.
Yep, tell me when you're ready.
Go ahead. Whoa.
There you go.
Fetch, here. Bring here, fetch. Go, fetch. Oh, fetch. Fetch. Go, fetch. Fetch that bird. Fetch that bird. Fetch that bird. Fetch that bird. Fetch. Bring here. No, fetch the bird. Oh, no. Here. No. This way. Come on, fetch. Bring here. No, fetch. Apollo, here. Apollo, here. Apollo, here. Fetch that bird. Fetch. Fetch, here. No. Come on, fetch the bird. Here, hold. Here, Apollo, here. Apollo, here. Bring him here. Here.
Good boy.
Good
Yeah, treat.
boy.
Good boy.
Okay, you gonna give? Good boy. Give. Good boy.
Here's treat.
Treat?
Good boy. Good boy.
That's what I need to do with
Good boy.
him. Get him to hold first. And then
Yeah, that was perfect.
that,
There's a perfect training moment there.
yeah.
All right, girl.
Okay, we got some good shots with Apollo there, and we're back with Krissy this time. Now, I really wanted to kind of narrate this one because Krissy does such a good job on this particular bird, and you can see here how she likes to circle around right in front of you when we're hunting. She does a real good job of staying in front of us once she figures out which direction we're going.
Come up, girl.
Just a real joy to hunt with. Now, when she gets down on point, she just holds and locks solid on this bird. Unfortunately, I was trying to release the bird, but the remote had switched channels and I couldn't get it to release, so had to stop. But it really didn't matter with the dog because she just held tight. It was really a good teaching moment too, as just how good these dogs will hold once they lock up. So she's circling around here and she's going to catch the scent here in just a second. It was just a beautiful day for us to be hunting. It was about 34 degrees there. She caught it.
Whoa.
Now she's going to lock up, and I'm trying to release the darn bird and can't get it to release. So Mark had to show me where the channel changer was here. But when the bird gets up, Mark shoots and wounds it. Not too bad, but it flies over and lands kind of next to the woods. And what happened next was just pure awesome. The dog went and found the bird, and then the bird gets up again, flies down into the woods, and the dog goes down and chases down this wounded bird and brings it all the way back up to us. So I want to just, we'll sit back and watch this. There goes the bird, and it lands right at the edge of the woods now. Krissy didn't quite see where the bird went down, so she was still looking around in the grass for it. But then we finally kind of walked over where the bird went down and got her over there, and then she just nails it. So yeah, she's circling here, looking. You know, we're hollering, dead bird. She's trying to find it. And then as we get closer over to the woods, she realizes, well, she backs off a little bit and goes back out. She still thinks it's in the grass. She didn't quite see where it went down. So she's looking. I think I turn around here. And I kind of stopped and hollered for her, come on, dead bird, over here. And she finally makes her way down there. And watch this. Here she goes. Bam, she's on it.
Oh, dead bird.
I walk up and I'm saying dead birds because I don't want her to hold that point. I want her to go ahead and find the bird. So she moves in, really nails him right there. She's got him. And then the bird gets back up and flies way down into the woods. And look at her, she's right on him. And what happens next is just awesome. I'll let the rest of the video play out. We'll put a little music to it.
Right here. Yep. Right here.
Well, that'd be really good if she brings this all the way back. That's awesome. Look what happens when you get a bad shot.
Good girl. Good girl. That's the way you do it. Here, sweet. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you did awesome. All right. That's what you should do. Yeah. Got your Apollo down.
It's in here. You gotta find it. Bird's in here. Over here. Good girl. Whoa. Yep. Yeah, that's not real good. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Where's the bird?
Got it. She see her nose twitching?
Now she's on point.
Yep.
Good girl. Whoa. 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 Okay, here we go. There you go.
Finally, that's 3 shots. Holy cow.
Hit the bird. Hit the bird.
I'm shooting at her too close. It's like a rifle. That last shot was decent distance out.
You saw it fall. Get it. I'm up. Oh, dead bird. Oh, dead. Yeah.
Hopefully this circle will get her. A little further out.
Oh, dead.
There we go.
Oh, dead. Dead bird. Dead bird. Get it. Bring it here. Bring it here. Krissy, bring it here.
That's what you want to see. Oh.
Drop it. Good girl. That's a good girl. Here's treat. Here's treat. Yeah, great job. Great job. That's a good girl. All right. That's what we want to see.